Hello everyone. While talking about hiding your location on the Bumble dating app, it's very crucial that the app uses your location so that it can show you profiles near your area. However, there is an option to snooze your profile. By doing this, your profile won't be visible on any of the modes such as the dating mode and the BFF mode. In order to activate that, go to your profile and tap on the settings icon on the top of your screen. Go to snooze and then select the time frame. As you can read here, it will temporarily hide your profile from all modes. You are not deactivating or deleting your account, so you don't have to worry about losing connections or chats. If you do this, no one will be able to see your location and other details except the people that you have previously matched. Hence, in this way, you can hide your location on the Bumble dating app to some extent. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.